Working with CNC machining and got a CRV3D project file from VCarve. These contain 3D toolpath designs for CNC routers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Vectric VCarve CNC project files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful CRV3D inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A project file created by Vectric VCarve Pro, or Aspire, used for designing and simulating 3D models for CNC routing. Users search for this to open save projects, edit toolpaths, or export G-code for their CNC machines, representing a complete design from initial vectors to final machine instructions. This is a proprietary binary file containing vector data, 3D component models, toolpath parameters, and material setup information. The format is designed to encapsulate the entire project state, ensuring that all elements required for CNC production are saved in a single, self-contained, and efficient file. This proprietary format is best opened by Vectric VCarve Pro, Aspire from Vectric for the CRV3D type. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows provides only partial support for this category, so proper visualization requires compatible 3D tools. The first action is to find a successful opener. Right-click the CRV3D file and click Open With. Test Vectric VCarve Pro, Aspire if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option in the list. If the CRV3D file is still giving you trouble, relax. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the CRV3D format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, opening in VCarve or Aspire. Launch Vectric VCarve Pro, VCarve Desktop or Aspire, and use File, then Open, selecting the CRV3D file. The application loads the complete project with 3D model toolpaths and material settings restored. Edit toolpaths, material specifications, or model geometry as needed for your CNC machining requirements. Next, generating G-code. Within Vectric software, use the Save Toolpath function to export G-code for your specific CNC router. Select the appropriate post-processor matching your machine controller. The exported G-code contains the actual machine instructions for executing the cuts defined in the CRV3D project producing the physical part on your CNC equipment. Finally, sharing with VCarve Trial. Share CRV3D files with collaborators using the free Vectric VCarve Trial version, which can open project files for viewing and limited editing. This enables design review discussions without requiring all team members to purchase full VCarve licenses, making collaboration more accessible during design and review phases. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.